Montana Silversmiths jewelry and buckles reflect the richness of the American West and echoes the passion and pride, along with craftsmanship that goes into each and every piece that is created. There is a story behind it. There is meaning behind it. And for us, as we create them and send them out to the marketplace, there is pride in the products and the people and the place where it is created. I personally love Montana Silversmiths because of the emotional tie that is given to our products, from a piece of jewelry that is given or received, or to the world champion's gold buckle. Montana Silversmiths' emotional ties, the stories behind the products, add value and meaning. Every buckle has a story. That emotional tie and that story is the secret sauce behind our success and why so many people equate Montana Silversmiths to something so very special and treasured. The beauty of Montana Silversmiths is derived from our inspiration found everywhere, outside our doors, the landscape, or a reflection of beauty. From these inspirations, we start with hand drawings and create individual pieces in silver artistry and authenticity. We deal in precious metals every day, and the beauty and the secret of Montana Silversmith lies in the people behind those products. For the artisans who have been with Montana Silversmiths for many years, and for those who have just joined us along the way, they know and appreciate the value of our products to those who win them, buy them, or receive them. The artistry in both our buckles and jewelry are created by distinctive works of art, are crafted with pride, and are forged in a tradition which is driven by excellence. There is something for everyone from Montana Silversmith, jewelry and buckles that can be treasured for a lifetime.